Want to know how to install Threads app by Instagram? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to install Threads app by Instagram. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Play Store app on your screen. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you can see the search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it. Now search for the Threads from Instagram and tap on the magnifying glass icon in your keyboard. Likewise, tap on the install button to install Threads app to your device. It might take few seconds for it to be downloaded. Finally, tap on the open button to open Threads app to your screen. So this is how you can install Threads app by Instagram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.